dose, अगर हमें dosage calculate करना है, how much mg we have to give to the baby or how much ml of injection or ml of syrup also, how much we have to give to the baby or to the children, then that also depends upon the calculation of the pediatric dose. Okay, so who are pediatric patients? So this is just the introduction. Okay, so pediatric patients includes both infants and children. Okay, infants are basically below 12 months. You know, so above 12 months, we consider those who are 1 year we consider as we consider as a baby. Okay, so for infants who are in months, okay, like 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, okay, so those are considered as infants, and children above 1 year. Okay, so pediatric patients are those which include both infants and children, and they require special dose. देखिए adult के लिए अलग dose होते हैं and children के लिए भी अलग dose. Then body weight. So here in order to calculate the body weight, okay, so we have to hello students, can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, so sorry, there was a technical problem, so the Wi-Fi में कुछ problem थे. So wait, I'll just upload the I'll upload the PowerPoint again. Okay, so like I said that if you have to calculate the dose for the baby or for the child, okay, so we have to depend on many factors. Number one is age. Okay, so age also we can depend. It can be in months, it can be years. Okay, it can be 2 months or 3 months or 6 months, or it can be 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 10 years. Okay, so depending upon the age of the child. Then number two, now you can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so then the second factor, it depends upon the weight of the baby. Okay, weight of the child. Okay, what is the weight of the child in kg? Okay, and third is the types of formula we are using. Okay, there are three formulas in pediatric dosage. We have to use depending upon the factors. Also, we can choose which formula we can use to calculate the dose of the baby. And the fourth factor is body surface area. Okay, so these are the important factors that we have to remember when we are calculating the dose for the pediatrics. So here you can see there are three formulas. Okay, one is called as the Frye's rule formula, second is Young's rule, and the third is Clark's rule. So these three formulas are very different from each other. ठीक है, बहुत ही अलग है. And you can see first of all is a Fry's rule. It is a Fry's rule. The child dosage is equal to age in months divided by 150 into adult dose. So in all the formulas, you have to remember you have to have the adult dose. Okay, how much we are giving to adult patients, that you have to note down. Okay, so here child dosage is equal to age in months. So you can see. Okay, so if the baby is in months, okay, if it's 2 months or 6 months, we are 9 months, then we can use Wright's rule. Okay, so age in months divided by 150 into adult. So this is the first formula that we can use for calculating the dose. This is called as Wright's rule. Second is it is called as Young's rule. So in Young's rule, child dosage is equal to age of the child in years. So now you can see it is in years. Okay, if it is more than 1 year, अगर child की age है 2 years, 3 years, या 10 years, या 11 years, 12 years, then we have to use Young's formula. Okay, so Young's rule formula is the child dosage is equal to age of the child in years divided by age of the child in years, again we repeat, plus 12. Okay, so you have to add 12 in the age of the child in years into adult dose. And the third formula is Clark's rule. Clark's rule, child's dosage is equal to weight of the child, okay, weight of the child in pounds. Okay, so in India, the very important unit for calculating the weight of a patient, we calculate in kg, no, kilogram. Whereas in other countries, they calculate in pounds. Okay. So yesterday I taught you about the conversion, how to convert 1 kg to pounds, or how to convert 1 ml to liters, or 1 mg to gram. Okay, so that conversion you have to remember. That's why I've explained to you yesterday, and I've already said that those conversions are very important whenever you have to calculate the dose of the medicine. Okay, so in Clark's rule, remember, Clark's rule is not related to age. Okay, here Clark's rule is related to the weight. Okay, that also weight in pounds. So if the child age of the child's weight is in kg, then उसको हमें convert करना है into pounds. So 1 kg is equal, this is a standard conversion, 1 kg is equal to 2.2 pounds. Okay. So here in Clark's rule, the child dosage is equal to child's weight in pounds divided by 150 into adult dose. Okay. So this is these are the three important formulas, pediatric formulas, that we are following so that we can calculate the dosage of the medicine to be given to the child. Okay, and always remember you have to know the adult dose. Okay, how much we are giving to the adult. Okay, and based on that we have to convert it to we have to find out the child dose. Okay, so these are the important formulas that we have followed. Okay, so here I have given some example. Okay, so this is the first example of Wright's rule. So Wright's rule, we are dealing with the age in months. So an example here, an infant who is 15 months old and needs streptomycin sulfate injection. It is usually administered to adults as 1 gram or 1000 mg. So in adults, the streptomycin injection usually give 1 gram. Okay, IM, not IV but IM. Okay, so how much we have to give for a child who is to give to an infant who is 15 months old? Okay, so by using Wright's rule, okay, because we know that the age of the weight of age of the infant is in months, so we have to use Wright's rule. Okay, so pediatric dose is equal to age of the child in months, that is 15 months, divided by 150 into the adult dose. Adult dose is 1000 mg. So we have to convert 1 gram also to mg. Okay, so we multiply into 1000. So this will be 1000 mg is the adult dose. Then by calculating this, we will get 100 mg. Okay, so now we can find out. Now we can administer medicine to the baby. Okay, that is 100 mg of streptomycin sulfate. Okay, that we give by IM. Okay. So you see, by using this Fright's rule, we get the dosage amount. Okay, it is very simple and it was very helpful for us to calculate the dose that we have to give to the baby. Okay, so this is called as Fright's rule. So whenever you have to read the question properly, whenever you see the age, okay, if the age is in months, then you use the Fright's rule. If the age is in years, then you have to use Young's rule. And if the baby's information is in weight, then you have to use Young's rule. So this is a second example. Okay, this is an example of Young's rule. So here the patient is 4 years old. So it is written here, our patient is 4 years old. Okay, and the recommended adult dose is 250 mg. Okay, so calculate the dose of the child. So it is already given 4 years. So you have to use Young's rule because Young's rule is related with the age of the child in years. So 4 divided by 4 plus 12 into 250, we will get 62.5 mg. So in adult, we are giving 250 mg, but in children, in the specific child who is 4 years old, we have to give 62.5 mg. Okay, so this is how you should calculate the dose of the child if it is in years. Then next is the Clark's rule. So here Clark's rule is a little bit complicated as compared to the other two formulas. क्योंकि इसमें क्या है कि जो formula है, we have to use the weight is in pounds, not in kg. So first of all, if the weight is given in kg, then we have to convert it into pounds. Okay? So let us see the example. A 4-year-old patient weighs 17 kg. Okay, she has been prescribed a drug as available as 0.5% solution and pre-packaged with an oral dose spoon embossed with a milliliter scale. The normal adult dose for this medication is 100 mg. So we know the adult dose, that is 100 mg. Okay, so in the formula we need the patient's weight in pounds divided by 150 into the adult dose. So we know the adult dose. Okay, 150 is already there, which is a standard number. Okay, so we just need to convert the age into pounds. So how do we convert the kg into pounds? Like I said, 1 kg is equal to 2.2 pounds. So we have to multiply. So for example, here the child is 17 kg. So 17 kg we multiply into 2.2 pounds. Okay, and it will equal to 37.4 pounds. Okay, so this weight in pounds now we will use in the formula. Okay, that is weight divided by 150 into adult dose. So the weight here is 37.4 pounds divided by 150 into adult dose. Adult dose is 100 mg. Yeah? So 37.4 divided by 150 into 100 is equal to 20. So the dose that we have to give to the child is 25 ml. Okay? Yes, I hope this is clear with everyone. Is there a doubt then? Anybody has any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I will give you some sums, okay, some calculations you have to do, and you have to send me by mail. Okay, so now you have 15 minutes. So I will send you 3 sums, and you will have to do the calculation, and you have to send me by mail. So yesterday I have seen the calculations which are sent to in my mail. Okay, so almost all of you have done it very well. Okay, so today also I'll give you some sums and you have to do it yourself. Okay, Okay, I'll send this PowerPoint in the group so that you can see the formula. And by using the formula, and especially especially if you're calculating by using Clark's rule. So you remember, convert kg into pounds. Okay. 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 So I will send you the